Good morning, everybody. It's a CPI day. We got green futures tanked to 4.9 of the CPI. So let's see what's going on. Um, all right, everything is jumping up pre-market, almost everything, and pre-market right now we are looking at the. Let's look at the ES. I mean, let's look at SPY first, actually. So SPY right now is breaking every level right now. 413.8 major level is one of the major levels is passing right now, and the next major level to watch is 415.93. If we do pass 416, we can run up to next level, which is 418.92, 421.92, and the next major level is 423.77. For anyhow, right now, this run up, we got the first dark TTM squeeze. The blue bar right now is getting it. If that crosses, it can pull back, but until the MACD is upward, and it is possible to run. So right now we reach that level 5:15, 30 1 hour. Everything is upward. 4 hour we got a golden cross. Need to open to see daily and weekly. Let's look at ES. ES daily is a little bit curving up. Weekly is still bullish. MACD, TTM squeeze dark blue bar, but in general right now market is opening hot at open. Um, so ES direction is upward. NQ, just one thing keep in mind also. We had in situation in the past the CPI was bad. It opened very red and then it went reverse and went all the way up. So keep in mind there's always a percentage, very small percentage chance that even though market is opening green, you never know. Maybe market opens and gets sold. So just keep that in mind. NQ right now direction is upward. Um, we are breaking this major level 13,349, and I believe it's made a new high. Yes, it did made a new high. It's a new high, so well, I'm gonna give you the targets in QQQ. Direction on 5, 15, 30 is upward. 1 hour is upward. 4 hours is about to golden cross. We're getting a new candle on 9 a.m. So that one should golden cross at 9 a.m. Daily MACD is golden cross. That's a very, 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 very bullish sign. And weekly is upward. So direction is up. Let's see what else we got here. TNX falling 2%. So 34 to 46. If it passes us, we can go to the lower level, which is 32.62. Direction TNX is down. That's really good. DXY has had a fall. And that's good for that's one of the major thing actually is helping Tex is this, because DXY is falling. Um, DXY right now, the more it falls, the more it helps Tex. So what else you got here? So SPX right now it's around 4150. So it's all about, let me change this here. It's all about, so we have to check the SPY targets. I use that as a reference for trading SPX. But SPX, if it does, we once I believe was 4169 was the big level in the past. If we pass that one here, you can see here 4160, 67, 69. So let's say 4170. If we do pass 4170, there is a small chance, not a small chance, there's actually a big chance we can get to 4200. But 4266, maybe by Friday we get there. 4266.77. SPY continues going higher. So if you have access to buying calls pre-market, there is a chance we are running high right now. It's just non-stop. As I said, until the TTM squeeze, MACD is not dead cross. There's still chance, and most likely right now we're gonna hit 415.93. Um, let's go to individual names. Apple. So Apple, the key level to break out is 173.54 and 174.3. Breaks these 2 points. Next target is 175.82. Above that, 177, 178, 179.51. Pre-market right now 5:15:30 is bullish, and 1 hour is golden cross. But keep in mind 4 hours is still weak there. Um, Amazon perfect, get the almost get the 108 level. 108 is a major level for Amazon, and right now it's above it, opening it above it. Daily MACD should be golden cross today, and 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, everything looks bullish. Next key level to watch is 108.99. If it breaks above that, we're looking at 110.42, 111.85 to come. That's the next major level, 180, 111.85. Nvidia, it's getting close to the high of the season. Pre-market, everything is upward. So next levels to watch is 291.52 and 293.46. Breaks those, we're looking at 296, 299, 301. There is a chance we hit 300 this next 2 days. It's already 1 hour is golden cross, so that's a big signal that there's a possibility break to 92.2, the high of this season, and then we go to 300, 301.72 level. Baba pre-market right now, we got the 1 hour golden cross yesterday, which was a bullish sign. But the problem is in China, again, we got a COVID problem. And Baba wasn't strong last night. And right now, pre market, we're getting a dark blue bar on the hourly. But at the same time, market is green today. And the 4 hour Baba is golden crossing. So that's a good sign. It's opening almost flat, no gap up. Baba, when you need to watch 82.71 and these two levels. If it breaks below 81.98, it can lose the gains from yesterday and this morning and go down to the 81.09 or maybe lower. But if it does break above 82.72 and next target is 83.43, above that, we're looking at 85.76 to come next. Earning is next week, so there is a high chance to have a pre-earning run up. Bidu, nothing special pre-market. Again, weakness there was red yesterday. So let me show you again the ES or SPY, same, almost same actions. You can see here right now, MACD is curving down. It's not dead cross yet. It's resting a little bit. If it does dead cross, then it can pull back and go up again maybe later. But in general, it's still very bullish in the 5 minutes. Netflix, 3 points higher. Needs to break the high of yesterday, which is 336.32. Breaks that, I mean, most likely 337.75 should come at open. And if it does break that, we're looking at 340, 343, 345, 349.5 and 354. There is a small chance by midweek next week 354 to come. But today, first target is 337.75 and possibly maybe 340, if not today, by Friday maybe we get there. Pre-market right now, 4 hours still bullish, 1 hour daily golden cross yesterday, and that's a bullish sign. 5, 15, 30, 15, 30 is upward, so it's all about breaking yesterday high. Meta 237.17, that major level reached. Above that, we're looking at 238.5, 239.59, and 240.68. Meta, keep in mind the pressure is a little bit down on the daily chart because it dead crossed yesterday. And even though yesterday was jumping, it gave a jump at open, then it gave a fake jump midday on news, and then it pulled back. Then it had a nice run of 1 hour, but then it pulled back again. So there is some pressure there for selling off. So keep that in mind. That every jump up there is some possibility that fast pullback. Anyhow, for pre-market right now, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours upward. It's all right now. It's all about getting above 237.15 again. If you get above that, breaks to 38.5, 240.68 can come. I mean, if it goes higher and gets crazy bullish, 244 maybe comes too. Um, Tesla, we got 5, 15, 30 is upward. It's actually top of the, it's actually one of the most bullish name pre-market. 273.19 breaks. We're looking at 274.87 and 277. Once, I'm sorry, 177, 174.87, 177. 59. There is a chance to come by Friday, if not today. It's getting very bullish. 4 hours upward. I'm sorry. 1 hour is very bullish. 4 hour is about to get a golden cross, and daily is already golden cross. So there is a lot of bullishness there, and high of, I believe, the high of last few days was 174.43. So that's the key level to watch. Breaks that one, the algo is gonna push premiums higher. um, Microsoft pre-market right now, five, everything is upward, and the 4 hour we're getting a yellow bar, needs to get a golden cross to get interesting. For this one, 410, 310.47 is the key level to watch. Most likely at open is gonna break 309.24 and goes to 310, but it's the question is if it's gonna break this strong or not. It's showing a little bit weaknesses last few days, but if it does break 310.47, and then the next level to watch is 311.97, the high of last 3 days. Breaks those, we can easily go to 312.23 and 314.47. Most likely should come, if not today, by Friday. Above that, the next targets are 320, 326, 331.41. Google, Google running up too. They have an announcement today, so that's gonna be a surprise. See what's gonna be the market reaction and how it's gonna go. 108.93 is a key level to watch. Breaks above that, we're looking at 110, 110.06, 111.05, and above that, next major level is 114.27. Need to get a 1 hour golden cross, and then it can get really interesting. But keep in mind, Google yesterday, after opening weakening, it weakened and it went down after like first 30 minutes. So there is some pressure there. There's some fear that maybe like next last time that had the event they're gonna fail again, and it goes down. So there is just fear in Google too. AMD just non-stop going up every day, and right now a little bit higher. Sorry about that. 5, 15, 30, and everything MACD is pointing up. TTM squeeze are very bullish. We need to get a 1 hour golden cross MACD to run up higher. The high pre-market, it's already made a new high. Breaks 96.81, most likely should hit 97.51 major level. Above that, and we're looking at 98.49, 100.07, and 101.66 for next week target, or who knows, maybe we hit this next 2 days. We'll see what happens. Pre-market right now direction looks very bullish. Boeing, yesterday was very interesting. It jumped up, then it came down, then it gave a bounce back, and it did not. It had a good close almost, and right now is back to 203 thanks to CPI. If it right now 515 is upward, need to get a 30 minutes golden cross MACD and pass 203.11 to run up to the higher level, which is 205.02, 205.2. Keep in mind yesterday high was 204.61. So if it does break 204.61, which is the high of yesterday, we're looking at 205.02, 206, 207, 208.57 next major level to reach. Um, SPY, as I said, it runs up until the MACD dead crosses. A dead cross right now establishing a range between 413 414. There is a lot of dark pool orders on for around 415.93. So that's a huge level. If we pass that one, um, market can get a squeezy and easily can go from 1% to 2% at minimum. QQQ, QQQ, so 420, 320, 324.33 right now level reach and is consolidating there. The next level to watch is 327.56, 330 is a super major level. Most likely with this run up, it is possible to come by Friday. Pre-market right now 5:15, everything looks up. 4 hour, we need to get a golden cross. Once that happens, and sky is the limit. This is the new high for the year, so everything is very green. What else you got here? The gold is a little bit higher, thanks to DXY fall. Um, Always keep an eye on KRE. So when this jumps means the banks are running, so it can help the market jump up higher. MSTR, thanks to Bitcoin jump, is running higher. 317 passes, we can go to 325.86. Shop, shop. 1 hour, 4 hours downward. 1 hour needs to golden cross. The high is 65.13. If we pass that one, we're looking at 66.41 next target, and maybe 68.41 by Friday. We'll see. PayPal, it was interesting. If you watch the live yesterday, I said 67 is gonna come, and boom, it opened and went to 67, and it almost got to 64.95. For those who watched yesterday the live, coin is getting hot. Thanks to Bitcoin and 62.19. We passed that one. We're looking at 64.05, 67.43 next. Snow, that one. Getting bullish too with 1 hour golden crosses is already new high. um 69.39 is possible to come this week. What else we got? QQ is continuing going higher. CRWD, the high of this 134 needs to pass that one to fly higher. Airbnb catastrophe there. Next major support, I have to get the level for there. That's pretty much it. CRM was very hot yesterday. The high of yesterday was 203.8. So if we do pass that one, which is very close to it, the next major level is 206.5, 209.83, and 213.16. Let me see. RIVN is getting interesting. I think the first time they're jumping after earning. So if we pass 1525, we're looking at 1636, 1746. That's it, I think. Let me just look. JP Morgan, the banks are a little bit are joining the run up. 138.69 and 141 is the next target there. Roblox had a bad earning, but is buying back, is pulled up thanks to CPI. Again, going back to CSPY. So SPY, as I mentioned, right now two key levels to watch: 413.8 and 415.93. That's the range for now. Breaks 416. It's easy gonna come 418, 418.92. And SPX right now should open around 41.50. That's the top of the range. If we do break that one, sky is the limit. I mean, 4200 SPX easy to come. Google just had a nice jump, but then it pulls back. Keep an eye on that one. I mean, it has event today after. I'm not sure exactly what time, so we have to see the reaction market to that. That's pretty much it. Everything looks bullish. Enjoy the green day, and congratulations to those who held calls. And best of luck. And please subscribe, like, and if you like, join the service. Thank you.